I know how harsh Amazon is. I've tried to launch other things like hot sauce bottles. That was a mistake. I paid Amazon to do the prep work. They bubble wrapped it and then they shipped it out in padded envelopes. And so there was hot sauce everywhere, right? Like everybody's opening up these padded envelopes. They're like, Steven, why did you ship me? Like, are you dumb? And I'm like, no, Amazon's dumb. And then I tried to contact Amazon, be like, Amazon, are you dumb? And they're like, nope, you're dumb because you didn't ship it in a box to us. And I'm like, what do you mean? I paid you to do the prep work. And so this journey that I've been down, the frustrating elements of how dumb some of the processes that Amazon has causes people massive heartache, heartburn, and everything in between. And so my job has been to go in and help brands prevent those mistakes, prevent them from making multi-$1,000 mistakes, and simultaneously grow their brand, run their marketing, pay-per-click advertising and SEO to grow their traffic and improve their conversion rates in the form of design and catalog merchandising. And so it's very complicated to sell on Amazon, but it's very worthwhile in 2024.